In this video, I'm going to show you the oat and raisin cookie making process inside the factory. The cookie making process starts with cutting golden raisins. After that, butter pieces are cut and weighed. Then, caster sugar is also weighed. Now, the plain flour is sieved and weighed. Then, baking soda and oats are added to the plain flour. Next, the golden raisins are added into the oats bowl. And here, the milk is weighed and flavour is added. Now, the oats and golden raisins are mixed manually. And here, the butter is fed into the mixer. Then, all the remaining ingredients, like caster sugar, oats and plain flour, are added. Once the mixture is prepared, it is placed into a tray and spread out. The tray is left for a short while to cool. And here, the cookie shaping process starts by hand. One by one, the cookies are arranged into the tray. Next, the cookie trays are sent for baking. Once the baking process is completed, the cookies are placed into boxes and weighed. Finally, the oat and raisin cookies are ready to eat and enjoy.